Want to earn free crypto just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth? The UPROCK Airdrop lets you claim $UPT tokens while powering the future of decentralized AI. Stick around to learn how it works, and don't forget to like and share this video to help others join the revolution. So, what is UPROCK? UPROCK is a DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network, that rewards users for sharing bandwidth to fuel AI data collection. With 50% of its $UPT token supply reserved for the community, it's one of the fairest airdrops in crypto. Text overlay, total supply, $1B, UPT 50% for airdrops. Now, here's how to get started. First, sign up on UPROCK's website and verify your email. Easy, right? Next, download the app for Android or macOS and start mining by sharing idle bandwidth. Want to boost your earnings? Refer friends. You'll earn $5 UPT per referral plus a 1% kickback on their mining. Finally, engage with UPROCK's community on Twitter or Discord for bonus rewards. Let's talk about token distribution and key dates. The $UPT token launched on May 30th, 2025 via Jupiter's LFG launchpad. Here's what to expect. Mining rewards are based on your bandwidth contribution. When it comes to vesting, 10% of airdrop tokens unlock immediately, with the remaining 90% releasing over 90 days. And you can trade your $UPT tokens on JupiterSwap after the launch. So why should you participate? UPROCK isn't just about free crypto, it's a movement. By joining, you support decentralized AI and earn passive income. You'll also get early access to a high-potential token with a deflationary model. And you'll join a community-driven network with over 300K daily users. Ready to claim your $UPT tokens? Click the links below to sign up and start earning today. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, share it with your crypto friends, and subscribe for more airdrop guides. See you in the next one.